Hello, I'm Todd Brown with Altus Motorsports, and today we'll be talking about checking the bike static sag. And today we're working with the Husqvarna FX 350. And checking static sag is just like checking the rider sag, and today we'll say the rider sag set at 104. On the Husqvarna KTM fenders, even the gas, they have a sag mark there, but I put a little Sharpie mark there, and we'll take that measurement, which is 620. And then we'll take the bike off the stand, and usually I push down on the rear a few times and then retake that measurement. And that measurement is 580, which would tell us that the static sag with this bike is 40 millimeters. And that's might be a little much, but it's pretty close. That measurement will tell you if you have the proper spring rate on. And usually on the bigger bikes, anywhere from 30 to 45 millimeters, you're probably in the right range. If you're, say, over 50 millimeters, that's probably going to tell you that your shock spring is too stiff. And if that measurement is, say, under 1 inch, under 25 millimeters, your spring is probably too soft and you have it cranked down too tight, and there's very little static sag. All right, that's it for today's tech tip. My name's Todd Brown with the Altus Motorsports. Make sure you come to Altus Motorsports for all your suspension needs. We'll definitely take care of you.